What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. So today, it's Sunday. Little out of the ordinary, but hey, if you found a little Easter egg at the end of my last video, you would have noticed that I gave away something. So today is the day that I do the drawing. Only 2 people commented with the correct hashtag. Well, one kind of did, but it's okay. I counted his anyway. So I did the little drawing just a little bit ago. And person who won is Grill and Smoke Barbecue. So congratulations. I'll contact him in a minute and let him know he won. Thank you for watching. And y'all have a great day.